Sensex soars. RS4 Lakh Crore gains in one day. Stock market today. The Sensex gained 443 points, or 0.56%, to end at 79,476.19, while the Nifty 50 clocked a gain of 131 points, or 0.55%, at 24,141.95. Indian stock market benchmarks, the Sensex and the Nifty 50, ended with healthy gains on Monday, July 1st, on gains led by select financial and IT heavyweights amid largely positive global cues. Major European markets traded in the green when the Sensex closed. France's CAC 40 jumped nearly 3% briefly during the session as political uncertainty eased to a fair extent after the far-right party led in the first-round legislative elections. According to a Reuters report, Marine Le Pen's far-right National Rally, RN, made historic gains to win the first round of a parliamentary election. Positive global cues influenced the mood of the domestic market as the Sensex gained 443 points, or 0.56%, to end at 79,476.19, while the Nifty 50 clocked a gain of 131 points, or 0.55%, at 24,141.95. Shares of HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Infosys, TCS, and Bajaj Finance emerged as the top contributors to the gain in the Sensex index, in that order. The mid and small cap segments saw even stronger buying interest as the BSE mid-cap and small-cap indices hit fresh record highs of 46,711.27 and 52,981.03, respectively, during the session. Eventually, the BSE mid-cap index ended 1.11% higher at 46,670.66, and the small-cap index settled with a gain of 1.58% at 52,951.73. The overall market capitalization of the firms listed on the BSE rose to nearly Rs 443.1 lakh crore from nearly Rs 439.2 lakh crore in the previous session, making investors richer by about Rs 3.9 lakh crore in a single session. Top Nifty 50 gainers today, as many as 31 stocks ended in the green in the Nifty 50 index. Shares of Tech Mahindra, up 2.98%, Wipro, up 2.40%, and Bajaj Finance, up 2.06%, closed as the top gainers in the index. Top Nifty 50 losers today, shares of NTPC, down 2.06%, Eicher Motors, down 0.92%, and Apollo Hospital, down 0.82%, ended as the top losers in the index. Sectoral indices today, all sectoral indices closed with gains, except for Nifty PSU Bank, down 0.76%, and Realty, down 0.33%. Nifty Media, up 2.42%, and IT, up 1.97%, 0.44%, while the private bank index ended 0.52% higher. The Nifty Financial Services Index closed with a healthy gain of 0.90%. Expert views on markets. The domestic market sustained its upward momentum with a reduction in U.S. PCE inflation, raising hopes for a rate cut by the Fed in September. This optimism contributed to the strong performance of IT stock. We anticipate this trend will persist in the near term due to expectations of a rebound in discretionary spending. Investors are now focusing on upcoming U.S. job data and the Fed chair's speech to indicate interest rates further, said Vinod Nair, head of research, Geojit Financial Services. According to Ajit Mishra, SVP of Research at Religare Broking, the consistent buying interest on dips suggests bullish control, likely continuing the current tone. The renewed strength in mid-cap and small-cap segments adds further positivity. Traders should focus on selecting sectors' themes with rotational participation and consider adding positions during pauses or dips, said Mishra. Technical views on Nifty 50, Shrikant Chauhan, the head of equity research at Kotak Securities, pointed out that the Nifty 50 had a bullish candle on daily charts and is holding a higher bottom formation on intraday charts, which is largely positive. We believe that the short-term texture of the market is positive, but we could see some profit booking at higher levels due to temporary overbought conditions, said Chauhan. For traders now, 24,000, 79,000 would act as a sacrosanct support zone, while 24,200, 24,300, 79 to 780,000 could be the immediate profit booking zones for the day traders. On the flip side, below 24,000, 79,000, traders may prefer to exit from the trading long positions, said Chauhan. Disclaimer: the views and recommendations above are those of individual analysts, experts, and brokerage firms, not Tech ADA. We advise investors to consult certified experts before making any investment decisions.